How to permanently delete your account on Etsy. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simply go to etsy.com and log into your account. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go to the top here and click on your account. Now go down and click on account settings right here. After you click on account settings, it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options, as you can see. Click on this privacy option here in the top. After you click on privacy, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is go down and click on this request deletion of your data. Click yes, I'm sure, and your account will be deleted. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.